So phase one was space planning, core idea, concept design. We completed that, and then we walked into the phase two, which is a design development. In that part, we looked at, okay, what is the budgetary that we want to look at? So we have a cost evaluation. We don't just jump into, okay, like let's select nice material, nice furniture. Like, what are we talking about? We have a standard. I invite you to create some. You can like look at the market price. It's gonna take you a little bit of time, but definitely it's worth of the time and the time investment, because it's gonna give you so much clarity walking through this phase. So what we do is says, okay, do you want to go more towards high end, which is the higher level of budget, or you want to go towards mid end? The quality in the long term is very essential. So we don't go towards something that has to be replaced in a year or two. Two main elements of it is, number one, for any material that is being used, how long it's gonna last, and how you're gonna like basically maintain it, as far as the how to clean it, how to keep it, how to maintain it. So that's why we give higher end and mid end. And all of this material that we recommend to our clients, and I want to invite you to do the same thing, they're commercial or medical rated. Sometimes they're both. There you can just literally look at back of the materials, or ask any kind of vendors or anywhere that you go that's like, I want to make sure these are commercial rated. Especially for flooring, you want to make sure it's as high as graded as slippery resistance. Make sure, like, when you do like a large space with a lot of floorings, keep it simple. Walls and your floorings are the biggest surface in design. We usually keep the flooring very simple, and we play throughout the space, like the waiting room, the back of reception's wall, or restroom. Those are the places we use as our focal point. Back to the design development, so material, furniture, lighting got selected, and for example, for lighting and finishes, we use brass color because that had more feminine feel to it. So it's a little bit difficult when you go to like rose gold or you go to brass color, because the price point is a little bit higher, and the design is limited as far as the durability part. So pay attention to those details as well.